This is going to be an HTML tutorial on how to insert a Google map into a web page. I will be using VS Code on the Google Chrome web browser. Let me jump over to my web browser here. Okay, I have my web browser open now. This right here is what I will be inserting into a web page. It's a fully interactable Google map here. I could drag the map around. I could click on the plus or minus to zoom in or zoom out. I could actually enlarge this map if I wanted to in VS Code. I could click on directions up here to get directions to a location. Let me jump over to VS Code and get started here. Okay, I have VS Code opened up now. I just have a blank HTML document here, just the boilerplate more or less. I have no CSS sheet link to it or anything. To insert a Google map into a web page, first thing you need to do is go to Google Maps. I'm going to jump back over to my browser and I'm going to go to Google Maps here. Once you're on Google Maps, up here at the top left, you want to insert an address. If you're just looking for a region, just pick an address in that region. I typed in the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, and once you've done that, then you want to go down below here to the share icon down here, and you want to click on the share icon. Now in the dialog box that opens here, you want to click on the tab up here that says Embed a Map. And right up here is your code that you're going to use. You want to go over to the right here and click on Copy HTML. I'm going to click on Copy HTML. Now I'm going to jump back over to VS Code. And in the body area, after the anywhere after the opening body tag, I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to go down to Save. Now I'm going to jump over to my web page here. I'm going to open up my folder. I'm going to double click on the HTML document here. And there is my Google map right there. Like I said, it's fully interactive. You could drag the map around. You can zoom in with the little plus and minus signals. You can zoom in or zoom out. You could click on directions. I'm going to click on directions. It'll open up Google Map directions. It's fully interactive. I'm going to jump back over to VS Code. I could change the width or height. But it's as simple as that. Now there's 1,000,001 different ways you could go with this. Do you want to place it in a div, or you can go 1,000,001 different ways. But that is how you insert a Google map into a web page. Thanks for watching.